喺捷克布拉格街頭，有水車出動灑水降溫，亦有餐廳灑水，為坐喺戶外嘅顧客消暑。捷克國家氣象局星期六喺其中一個氣象站記錄到攝氏40.6度嘅高溫，打破2012年40.4度嘅紀錄。面對高溫，民眾都用各種方法散熱，街上嘅供水設施成為消暑法寶。捷克係內陸國家，距離最近海岸312公里。即使冇海灘，唔少人都選擇到河邊同公園避暑。
Our springs and our autumns are usually very cool, and then we usually have a week or two in the summer of the hottest period of time. But right now, I would say it's hotter than it's ever been in my lifetime, and the amount of time that it's this hot, so 38 degrees or something, or 40 degrees, is a longer period of time than the hottest period of time during a local Czech summer in the past. People just kind of got over it. But if it gets more extreme and intense and for longer periods of time, more people are going to buy air conditioners, which take up more energy and power, raise everybody's power bills, and they're just going to get used to it and use it more often, which is going to make living in the summer more expensive for everybody.
It's intense.
It's intense.
It's very warm, so that's why we're here, where there's a lot of trees and the water, because in the city with all the buildings, it's extreme.
There were a few years ago, like not more than a few years ago, there was also a big heat wave in Holland, and it was very hot, but this feels worse.
And it's also longer, I think. I
Yeah.
think this one lasts for an entire week, and usually it's like 3 days or something, and then it's gone. So, and 40 degrees is, I think, the most we ever had.
Try to not move so much, sit in the shade, come to green areas.
Yeah, green areas help a lot. And also when we walk through the city, we try to stay on the side of the buildings where there's shade and
As
try
much
to
as
get a
possible.
tree here and there. Yeah.
It's definitely something that crosses our mind, air conditioning. It seems excessive because it hasn't happened all the time yet, but in a heat wave like this, you really think about it a lot.
就算坐喺公共交通上面，都唔一定會過得涼爽啲，因為呢度唔少電車同埋巴士都係冇冷氣㗎。早前熱浪已經為英國、法國、德國打破氣温紀錄，德國連續第2日創下歷史新高，氣温達到攝氏41.5度，多個活動被迫取消。多地氣象部門預計熱浪將會進一步向東移動，為波蘭等地帶嚟酷熱天氣。廣播新聞網記者張家傑喺捷克布拉格報導。